Hello students, welcome to all in Discuss Academy online classes. Dear student, in part 7 video, we have already studied about remainder theorem and solved one question which is based on remainder theorem. Now dear student, in part 8 video, we will solve question number 30 and question number 14 of exercise 2C of RX Agarwal book. And question number 30 is the polynomials 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2 and 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a when divided by x minus 2 leave the same remainder, find the value of a. And question number 14 is the polynomial px equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b when divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1 list the remainders 5 and 19 respectively. Find the values of a and b, hence find the remainder when px is divided by x minus 2. Now we will solve question number 30. Let px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2. This is equation number first. And gx equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a. Equation number second. According to question, px and gx is divided by x minus 2 and leave the same remainder, means when px is divided by x minus 2 then remainder is p2, and when it is divided by when gx is divided by x minus 2 then remainder is g2. According to question, P2 equal to G2. P2 की वैल्यू कैसे आप निकालेंगे? जब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में x की जगह पर आप पुट करेंगे तो P2 मिलेगा, और G2 की वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा? जब क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड में x की जगह पर आप 2 पुट करेंगे. यहाँ लिखेंगे दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 2 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 square minus a into 2 plus 2 equal to g2 is 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus a. This implies that 2 into 2 cube means हो जाएगा 16 plus 4 minus 2a plus 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube means मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगा 16 minus 3 हो जाएगा 12 minus 6 plus a. 16 cancel out, 4 and 2 6 minus 2a, this equal to minus 18 plus a. This implies that इधर आप ट्रांसपोज कर लीजिए तो जाएगा 6 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. 6 और 18 आप ऐड करेंगे 24 equal to 3a. This implies that a equal to 24 upon 3 means a is equal to 8. This is required value of a, and value of a is 8. Now student, we will solve question number 40. And in question number 14, it is given px equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b. Let this is equation number first. According to question, px is divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1 and leaves the remainders 5 and 19. When px is divided by x minus 1, then by remainder theorem, its remainder is p1, and that is p1 is equal to 5. And when px is divided by x plus 1, their remainder is p minus 1, and also given p minus 1 is equal to 19. Here p1 equal to 5, then we write 1 raised to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus a into 1 plus b equal to 5. We have written by first. This implies that 1 raised to the power 4 means 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a plus b equal to 5. 4, that means here we are looking 2 minus a plus b equal to 5. This implies that minus a plus b equal to 5 minus 2 minus a plus b equal to 3 means a minus b equal to minus 3. Let this is equation number second. Again, p minus 1 is equal to 19. Then from first we write minus 1 raised to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus a into minus 1 plus b is equal to 19, क्योंकि p minus 1 की वैल्यू 19 है. This implies that minus 1 raised to the power 4 means 1 minus 1 whole cube minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, that means plus 2 plus 3 into minus 1 square means plus 1 into 3 means 3 minus plus a plus b equal to 19. 2 और 1 add करेंगे 3 is 6 plus a plus b equal to 19. This implies that a plus b equal to 19 minus 6 means a plus b equal to 13. Let this is equation number 3rd. Here we have to find out the value of a and b. Then adding question number 2nd and question number 3rd, we get a plus b plus a minus b equal to 13 plus minus 3. b से b कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 2a equal to 13 minus 3, that means 10. This implies that a equal to 10 upon 2 equal to 5. Here value of a is 5. Now putting a equal to 5 in 3rd, then we get 5 plus b equal to 13. This implies that b equal to 13 minus 5, b equal to 8. Hence value of a is 5 and value of b is 8. Now putting the value of a and b in equation number first. Putting value of a and b in equation number first, we get px equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus value of a is 5 minus 5x plus value of b is 8 plus 8. According to question, px when px is divided by x minus 2, यहाँ प्लीज लीजिए since. According to question, since px is divided by x minus 2 means when px is divided by x minus 2 then remainder is p2. और इस क्वेश्चन में ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जब इस px को x minus 2 से डिवाइड किया जा रहा है तब आप रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करिए. Means px is divided by x minus 2, then we can say that remainder is p2, and we get p2 when we put value of x is equal to 2 in this algebraic expression or in this polynomial. Now p2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 8 2 raised to the power 4 then 16 minus 8 to the 16 plus 3 4 जा 12 minus 10 plus 8 16 cancel out 12 और 8 ऐड करेंगे 20 minus 10 this is equal to 10. Means when this px is divided by x minus 2 then remainder is p2 and p2 is equal to 10. This is final answer. Now dear student, some question is given in Google Classroom app. Thanks.